I'm Shemaine and welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And today, guys, what we are bringing to the table is a Micas haul. And in case you guys never heard of Micas, it is a cute clothing store that has like just the cute stuff that is totally my vibe. And you guys heard the phrase, don't sleep on Micas? Well, we're about to wake you up and turn you on Micas. And since I'm gonna put you guys onto Micas, go ahead and copy this offer code right here and go shopping. Use my offer code because they got some cute stuff. So let's go ahead and unbox and see what we got. So Micas sent me over some really cute items. We are going to unbox them. We're gonna look at them and we're gonna style them and see how they work with our wardrobe. So this is the package they sent me. It comes in this really cute bag, cute little pink Micas bag. And why don't we unbox it?
I got so excited when I saw this pink bag because I knew it was going to be some goodies in here. So let's go ahead and cut this baby open and let's see what we got inside. Okay, this first piece I absolutely love. It's a Camo Frayed Patchwork Fringe mini skirt. It is super cute. It is like a piece I would totally upcycle. I love this because it's really nice and lightweight, which makes it easy to pack for travel. But I love the detail and the patchwork, and the little fringy is so cute. So let's try this on and see how this looks. I absolutely love the asymmetrical waistline on this skirt. Micas has some really unique pieces that make you feel like it's really your individual style. So you can style this skirt any type of way that you want. I can totally see this piece transitioning into fall with some nice thigh-high boots. You can wear it over leggings or some skinny jeans. I'm going to have fun styling this piece. This is not the last time you're going to see this piece. So look forward to seeing this a lot more because I really like this and I think you can really style it in some really unique, cute, fun ways. I really like it with this t-shirt because it gives me a nice, fun streetwear vibe. So let's get into this t-shirt. I love this motorcycle graphic cape sleeve t-shirt because it says, don't fear dying, fear not living. I learned to ride a motorcycle about 3 years ago, and that was exactly how I felt. So this shirt represents a lot of fun boldness. I mean, it has the de-stress graphic and all the little de-stressing on the front. It's really cute and it's cropped. So real fun, easy, and lightweight to wear. Again, this is a piece that is really easy to pack in your suitcase if you take it on a trip. And let's go to the next item. This is the floral print wrap Ruched strapless mini dress. This dress is fire. It is so pretty. I love the colors and the floral print, and it's nice and stretchy, and it has like pretty ruched sheer flounce that wraps over to the side and kind of drapes down the leg. This is so cute and sexy and fun, and let's see how it looks. So I just felt so sexy and feminine in this dress. It is just so pretty. My skin just really pops nicely in it. Oh, and let's talk sizing. So in this dress, I ordered a size large. I probably should have ordered my regular size, which is medium. So it was a little big in the bust area for me, but so I just did a minor alteration. I'm a size medium and I ordered most of the items in a size medium and I found them to be true to size. So let's talk about the next piece. The next cute piece is called the side tie halter top. This is super cute and very sexy. I paired it with the dress. I actually styled the dress into a skirt. I just folded down the top part and made a wrap skirt. So you can see how versatile these pieces are. They can be styled very easily, but I paired it with the halter top, and I ordered this halter in a small, but I should have ordered my regular size, a medium, because I'm giving a little side boob, but it's all good. Side boob is sexy. Micas has such cute things. Let me show you how to go on and find your cute outfit. Say we're looking for something for a Renaissance. You know, the Renaissance tour is happening and we're looking for a cute outfit. Check out this super cute metallic one shoulder tank top with the mini skirt. This is a fire. This is so cute. So I love that you can zoom in on the fabric and on the fabric details so you can kind of see how the outfit's going to look. Also, I love that they style this for you. Like you can grab all of these, like this sunglasses and the top to go over the two-piece outfit. Grab all these, girls. It's just so cute. Now, another great thing is the sizing guide. So when you click on each size, you can see all of the measurements. So get that tape measure out, measure yourself, and check it with these sizes so you know exactly what size to order. So once you pick your size, go ahead and add that to your cart. Once you add it to the cart, let's see if you qualify for free shipping. So we're going to click on that and let's check it out. So $4 away from free shipping. So free shipping is $69 and up, and you get free shipping. So we're going to go through, we're going to find us something else, and we're going to get that free shipping, girl. So let's go through and find something else. That's fine. Looks, these asymmetrical waist jeans, these look pretty cute. Let me see, what else do they have? Yeah, let's go for these jeans. These are cute. So now you qualify for free shipping, and you haven't even added a 12% off mirror table discount yet. So make sure you add that offer code at checkout. And even better, you can download the app and shop. So go into your Play Store, download the app, and voila, you can shop right on your phone. This is just so cool. That way, you know when new items come out. So let's go through and let's pick another outfit real quick. Let's pick that shirt that I have. Let's see, where is it? And let's see. So this one's kind of similar to the one that I have, a different graphic. This says Harley Davidson on it. Let's go ahead and pick that and add that to the cart once you pick your size. And let's go through and pick a couple more items so we can get that free shipping. And also I'm going to show you how to put your discount code in when you use the app. So we're going to pick an outfit from the top sellers collection list. And I like this really cute linen blend top and the skirt that goes with it. So let's add the top to the cart. Then let's go in and get the matching skirt because we want the complete look. Okay, so we're going to grab that skirt. Now this is where the magic happens. So you see where it says use discount code. You're going to click that and then you're going to type in mirror T12. You can get 12% off. So you're going to type that in and click apply. And there you have it. You'll see you get 12% off. So go ahead and go shopping. And let's take one last final look at the cute outfits that I got from Micas. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, let the algorithm know. Subscribe, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye.